Hello everybody, I am standing on the Kolkata Maidan and behind me, as you can see, is the Kolkata Book Fair 2004, where people from far and wide come to witness this extravagant event. But this time we get to share it with you. So let's come and have a look. So how long have you been participating in this book fair?
Last 14 years.
We are participating in this book fair from the when the first Calcutta book fair started.
How is having a stall in Kolkata book fair beneficial?
The thing is that this is a Calcutta book fair is a prestigious thing in Calcutta. It's like another Durga Puja, we can say. And by this we get the opportunity to display all the titles which we publish, which we distribute, which is not very easier to do in the regular basis. And we get a very good turnover also.
It is basically creating an awareness into the market wherein people coming here to go through the books. We have a lot of students, college goers, students participating, coming down, and wherein they tend to have a keen interest into computer education, where they do come to our stall, get to know about the courses, and if they have an interest or an inclination towards multimedia, they come forward to visit our centers, and then maybe they go in for the courses.
So there's talk of the book fair moving to a different place. Would you still participate?
Yeah, definitely.
Hello people, I am standing with a very interesting person here. आपका नाम क्या है?
कार्तिक चंद्रपाल।
चंद्रपाल। अच्छा भैया हम बताइए ये सब क्या है?
12 साल से तजुर्बा किया, फिर हमने निकाला कि पृथ्वी अपनी किली पर 24 घंटा में एक बार घूमती है, इसलिए दिन रात होता है, और सूरज एक साल में पृथ्वी की एक बार चक्कर लगाता है, इसलिए ऋतु परिवर्तन होता है, दिन रात छोटा बड़ा होता है। हमें 90% आदमी हमें समर्थन करके चिट्ठी दिया है, 10% लोग हमारा खिलाफ लिखा है, लेकिन जो हमारा खिलाफ लिखा है वो कोई प्रूव नहीं किया कि हमारा गलत है, ये सिद्ध नहीं किया, ऐसे ही बोला हमारा बात गलत है।
अच्छा भैया, क्या आप अपने आप को साइंटिस्ट कहते हो?
देखिए, कोई भी साइंटिस्ट अपने आप को साइंटिस्ट नहीं कहता है, जब उसका बात दुनिया मान लेता है उस टाइम उसको हम साइंटिस्ट कहते हैं। हम अपने आप को साइंटिस्ट नहीं कहता, लेकिन हमें अफसोस है एक दिन दुनिया हमको साइंटिस्ट बोलकर पुकारेगा।
So what goes on in making this extravagant event as a book fair?
You see, this particular book fair, what you are seeing today, it's not made in one day. You see, for the last 29 years, it has been developing and developing. It is ever increasing in size and also increasing number of visitors. So, for that type of development of a extravagant event, you see, we start from the last day of the fair for the next year's programs.
Sir, we see Reliance stalls around, we see Arena Multimedia around, we see banks around, stalls. So don't you think that the attraction from books is moving away and going to such special offers and special discounts available?
No, I tell you one thing, that we don't think so. Why? Because Reliance, we have given a stall to Reliance because Reliance is providing telephone booths inside the fairground free of cost. So even if you remember a situation where you have got some urgency to call to your house, you don't have that particular coin and you can't phone. So this time when Reliance has provided that free call booths, that is a great help to the millions of people who are coming to this thing. Of course, there are other stalls. You see, for example, HDFC is there, or some insurance company is also there. But main thing is that you see, we, the organizers of Calcutta Book Fair, we are trying to shift the burden from the publishers to those corporate sector, so that you see we get some sponsorship fees by which we can reduce the rent of the stall and other expenses.
After my journey at the fair, I am left with a question. How has the book fair evolved over the years? Let's go and ask the regular patrons, how do they find this book fair different from the earlier ones? How do you think the book fair has evolved around all these years?
Basically, see, it has become a fair all around. It's an annual fair for Calcutta, where everybody is involved.
ये है कि यहाँ में जो आ रहा है इसमें बुक स्टॉल और जो खरीदार है उसका कुछ चेंज आया है मेंटालिटी में।
গ্যাদারিং আমার মনে হয় বেশি এখন একটু বেশি ভালো মানে যে কম এজেররা বেশি আসছে আর কি।
बहुत ज़्यादा बदल गया, पब्लिसिटी के थ्रू तो बहुत ज़्यादा बदल गया है। जितना जितना पब्लिसिटी इसका है इतना पहले तो हम सुने ही नहीं कहीं पर, इतना तो अभी तो बहुत ऐड देता है टीवी पे फिर भी देता है आकाश में, आकाश बांग्ला में, जैसे रेडियो में तो बहुत सुने हैं, पेपर में तो और भी ज़्यादा।
So that's all on today's show from Priyanka
and Nikhil. Hope you enjoyed the show because we definitely enjoyed showing it to you.
And next time we would be showcasing your city. We are waiting for your suggestions and replies. So please call us at
033-2447-150 or log on to www.veganindia.org.
So until next time,
have a good day.